What a beautiful day at the beach. What could ever ruin this day? The wind is blowing, the sun's out, nothing can ruin this day. I hope the dog's okay. Meanwhile, at her house. Let me out! After eating all that. Get back here, you gross! You were a kid? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm telling my mommy. And what is she gonna do about it? She's gonna call the police. Really? Over me hitting you for not even for an accident? And you really hit me? What's her name? Ruby? You just gave out your mom's name. What a retard. Hey, are you Ruby? Yes. Charlotte's mom? Yeah. Okay. Well, she hit me with this. She would never do that. No, this. Charlotte! Get here! This instant! Yes, Mommy? Tell that little young lady you're sorry. I'm sorry. I will not play any planks again. I will not play any planks again. And you're really, really sorry. And I'm really, really sorry. Now give her a hug. Okay, it's fine. But if I ever catch you doing this again, what is the punishment? It is the punishment. So, is no TV for a week or iPad a week. So, whenever, if she does that again, tell me and I'll punish her, okay? Okay. Come on. You can go out the house to play, but if I ever catch you again, you're grounded. Next day. Ow! Here's my number. Hey, what is it? I know it's something. Okay, so your daughter, Charlotte, oh God, hit me again with this ball looking thing, and it hit me in the tail this time, and it bent. Oh, I'll be right there. Charlotte, stop! Look, you get your punishment for this time 3 weeks. Oh, Mommy, please. TV for no. No iPad for 3 weeks. Come on. This time, you have to give her the ball. Make a big, big sorry. And this time, if I catch you doing this one more time, I'm going to keep you grounded. I'm going to let her keep your ball. And you want to know? No. Well, you're gonna. You are gonna go to Aunt's house for a week with no iPad, no nothing. Not even toys. Well, yeah, toys. But that is all you will get to play with. You got me, Missy? Yeah, Mommy. Yes, ma'am. Now, come on. You can keep the ball, okay? Okay. Yeah. But Mommy. No buts. You're not keeping the ball. Come on. Meanwhile, at the beach, with no getting bothered. Just a little rest. I think I'm gonna put a little jam on my blueberries, strawberries, chocolate. So good. I think So guys, I'm gonna see you on the next episode, and we'll figure out what she says. Like she said, I think I'm gonna. And you guys gotta fill in the blanks. 1, is it, what do you think it is? A, going home. B, going to the mall. Or C, going outside. Leave me know in the comments below, guys. Okay? And then I'll continue the next episode.